All right, and moving on, over a month ago, a court verdict in US took the tech giants by storm. It held Meta and Google accountable for designing social media platforms that are harmful to young people and fined them a cumulative sum of $6 million. Meta has now challenged this verdict. Take a look at this next report for more details.
The global debate around social media addiction took a fresh turn as Meta asked a Los Angeles court to overturn its March verdict, holding the tech giant liable for the depression of a 19-year-old woman. In the alternative, it sought a new trial. Meta argued that it was shielded from the claims made by the teen, owing to Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act. This 1996 federal law exempts online platforms from legal liability for the materials their users post. Meta also asserted that evidence presented at the trial tied the woman's mental health challenges to the content she viewed, rather than design features like autoplay and infinite scroll. Meanwhile, Google also said that it had plans to appeal against the verdict. This case dates back to January this year when 19-year-old Kaylee filed a lawsuit against Meta, TikTok, Google, and Snap. She claimed to have been addicted to these companies' platforms at a young age because of their attention-grabbing design. The petitioner demanded accountability as she has blamed these tech giants for fueling her depression and suicidal thoughts. Subsequently, Snap and TikTok reached an out-of-court settlement with the petitioner. Court's ruling found Meta and Google of being negligent in designing addictive products. According to the judges, both tech companies failed to provide adequate warnings about potential danger of their products. Meta and Google were ordered to pay Kaylee $4.2 and $1.8 million respectively. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg himself testified in this matter. While he sidestepped the question on whether Instagram is addictive, he made one big admission that should matter to every social media user. After being presented internal documents, he revealed that Meta previously set a goal to increase the amount of time people spent on Instagram but gradually moved away from this approach. This raises some key questions. Can content and the platform be separated? Why are tech giants not able to use AI effectively to ensure that digital safety and age-based access remains sacrosanct? This assumes significance at a time when the world is grappling with the menace of social media addiction. According to the Digital 2026 report by the data reportal portal, an average TikTok user spends 1 hour and 37 minutes on the app every single day. YouTube users aren't far behind at 1 hour and 25 minutes. Instagram comes in at 1 hour and 13 minutes and Facebook at just over an hour. Now, Meta's appeal is being closely followed as it can have implications on thousands of similar cases filed against Meta, Google, and other social media firms by individuals, families, as well as states.